Hi, this is Jonathan with Renewall Projects, and today I'm going to show you how to use our online roofing square and gutter calculator. The purpose of this calculator is to help you accurately determine roofing squares and eaves trough footages for your estimates. First, head over to our website, renewallprojects.ca, and scroll all the way to the bottom. There you'll find the Tools link. On the Tools page, click on the Roofing Square and Gutter Calculator. For the calculator to work, you'll need 5 measurements. First, you'll need the total square footage of the roof, also called the field area. Then you'll need the linear footages of the hips and ridges, as well as the linear footages of the eaves, rakes, and valleys. We can also add waste percentages based on the complexity of the roof. Now I'll demonstrate the calculator using measurements from an EagleView report. You can find all the necessary measurements right on the first page. For this roof, the total field area is 2,182 square feet. The hips and ridges are 181 linear feet, the eaves are 243 feet, the rakes are 72 feet, and the valleys are 64 feet. You can see in the results below that the calculator is already working. You can also adjust the waste factor based on the complexity of the roof. Usually 5 to 7% is adequate on the field, but a little more is needed for the capping, usually 10 to 15%. The waste factor for the valley is actually referring to the amount of valley flashing. Usually 20 to 30% is adequate. The first line of the results outlines the approximate number of field, capping, and starter bundles, although the exact number will vary from one shingle manufacturer to another. The second line outlines the number of roofing squares and the required footage of valley flashing and drip edge that you'll need for your estimate. Below the roofing results, you'll find the gutter calculator. It starts by pulling the eaves measurements from above and then adding or subtracting from it based on additional factors. First, you'll need to add the number of end caps and miters. This roof has 6 end caps and 17 miters. I usually multiply each end cap and miter by 2 feet, but you can change the multiplier as you see fit. Next, you'll need to add any additional gutters that are not located on an eave. Here's an example of a gutter on a rake edge instead of an eave. We also want to subtract lengths of eaves that do not have gutters. Here's an example of an eave that does not have a gutter. The results below will give you the total gutter footage for your estimate. If you want a record of this report, simply add a job or claim number and your email address, click Submit, and one will be delivered to your inbox. If you have any questions about this calculator or any of our other online tools, please feel free to contact us. We'd be happy to help.